Here's the story. Every organization from all industries have content. Yes, yours does too. Content can be paper documents, books, PDFs, manuals, articles, conference proceedings, standards documents, journals, archives, microfilm, images, and so much more. But you need to ask yourself, are you getting the most value out of your content? Can people search for it and find it, or are they going elsewhere? Is your content optimized for mobile? Is it accessible so that the blind and disabled can work with it? Does it link to your other relevant content and to all the other content in the world? In other words, is your content smart enough for today's world? If you are unsure about the answers to any or all of these questions, then DCL can help. We've been digitizing and making content smart for some of the world's most sophisticated organizations since 1981. The first step towards smart content is to convert it to a structured format. Okay, let's stop there. You might be asking, what is the difference between structured and unstructured formats? Unstructured content may be paper, Word, or PDF documents, to name a few. These formats are more about how they look rather than the information contained inside them, and their use on today's technologies is limited. Because of the volumes of content we need to work with today, far more content than we can possibly read, we need computers to interpret, understand, and extract what's inside the document. For that, we need structured content and semantic tagging. Structured content generally means it's in a digital XML format. Unlike unstructured formats, structured content allows you and a computer to identify the important information contained inside the document and give it semantic meaning. It's less about how it looks and more about the information it contains. Structured content gives context to what were just words and numbers. Once in XML, you can make your content more searchable and findable, whether internally at your organization or out there on the web. Sounds simple, right? It's not. If you try to do this yourself, it might take an army of people picking through documents one at a time, identifying the right information, and then structuring it. That process can be slow, expensive, and loaded with errors. We've got a better way. DCL are the experts in converting your content to XML and use the latest innovative techniques to do it, like natural language processing to understand documents and make decisions, machine learning to teach machines to learn on their own, automated mining techniques to find information buried deeply in documents, and deep learning using external databases and authority files to enhance and correct content. DCL transforms and enriches all formats: paper, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PDF, and others to smart, structured formats like XML, DITA, HTML, S1000D, and more. No matter the size or complexity of your project, DCL can and will transform your content to be smarter for today's technologies, mobile devices, and content management systems. DCL can collect data from multiple sources by using the latest web scraping techniques. We can organize these streams of data, extract the metadata, and otherwise make sense of the mountains of data for you. What does all this mean for you and your business? DCL has a world-class team totally focused on collecting your content and organizing it using the best tools available anywhere. DCL's expertise and time-tested processes since 1981 enables the organization, searchability, findability, and distribution of your content. This kind of content optimization can lead to new revenue streams, expanded brand recognition, internal efficiencies, and so much more. Now that's smart. To get on the path to making your content smart, contact DCL today at dclab.com or 800-321-2816.